When you get the electric motor, it comes in a pack like this. A pack is sold for around 10,000 naira if I'm not mistaken. In it has this elastic rope, the foot pedal, the engine, a screw, and lastly a manual. The first step is to remove the elastic rope that is usually placed around the hand wheel. You're going to need a screwdriver, the engine, and the screw that came in the pack. If you look just below the hand wheel of your machine, you will see that there is a screw holder there. On the engine, there's also a section where the screw is supposed to pass through. So get the screw that came in the pack and pass it through the screw holder on the engine, just like this. The next step is to make the screw go through the screw holder on the machine. So just gently place it right at the same spot and screw it in. You can use your hands and decide to go in with your screwdriver. Just make sure it's tightly screwed. Now you would need to get your elastic rope and pass it through the hand wheel. Once it's past the hand wheel, you're going to connect it to the rope holder on the engine, just like this. I noticed that mine was not tightly screwed, so I got my screwdriver and went back in to screw it tightly. If done correctly, when you move the hand wheel, the elastic holder on the engine should move as well. When you look at the foot pedal, you will notice that it comes with two wires. One plug is for your socket and the other one needs to be plugged into the engine. So go ahead to connect the one that is supposed to be for the engine to the engine, which is this one I'm showing you right now, and then plug the other one to the socket, which is your electricity. And just like that, your machine is now working on electricity. Now you can enjoy the benefits of fast sewing. I mean, it's quite stressful to pedal with your foot from morning to night. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop your comments in the comment section below and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you for watching.